Hello there guys and welcome to your Linux tutorial hosted by Mislav. Now in this tutorial we are going to talk about package management, okay? And I'm just going to write it as package and then I will write management as man with a dot, okay? But we are going to talk about package management. Okay, so first off, let's talk about why do we need package management. Let's start with that. We need it because packages are a convenient way to deliver software. We deliver software like a package. So package management is a term for installing, modifying, and removing packages. So package management is actually manipulating packages, okay? So that's what package management is. Packages, manipulating packages, or we could actually say managing packages. The alternative to installing software from a package is to install the software from source, but that is for another article. Okay, and now different Linux distributions use different packaging systems. A package consists of files that contain the software we are installing, okay? So a package consists of files that contain the software we are installing. Packages are available in repositories, okay? So let me just write these terms down. So we covered package, then we just talked about repositories, and repositories are the places where we get our packages from, okay? So repositories, okay? And each distribution has its own repository with packages. If a software depends on something to run, such as an external piece of code to calculate something, then we say that that external piece of code is a dependency, okay? So it is a dependency. Package managers, okay, so let's also write it down. Package manager take care of dependencies when installing packages. Okay, so package managers, again, take care of dependencies, which are the things we need for our package to run correctly when we are installing packages, okay? So let's take a look at some package management tools. Package management tools include apt, which is basically high-level package management tool. And there's also a low-level package management tool such as dpkg. Okay, and also high-level management tool alongside the apt is apt-get. Okay, so those are high-level management tools, and dpkg is a low-level management tools and both of those are in the Debian-like distributions. And as you can probably guess, or as you know from previous tutorials, that I use the Debian distribution. Okay, and so a caveat: when we are going to be talking about specific commands in the future tutorials about installing packages, removing packages, etc., I will cover package management using package manager that is used in the Debian and Debian-like Linux distributions. I won't cover other distributions, and in the case you have another distribution, I suggest using Google to find the equivalent commands, okay? But these are just some terms that pop up when we are dealing with package management. So now we have a package, which is just a convenient way to store software. We have repositories, those are the places we get our packages from. Dependency, those are the things which we need to actually run our packages. Package manager is the tool which manages these packages for us, and we have high and low level package management software. Okay, so this is basically what we talked about in this tutorial. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next tutorial as well, and I will talk to you soon.